Hi guys, welcome to my TikTok Daniel Diary. Okay, today unboxing GoPro 11. I told you before my GoPro 9 died. This is my GoPro 9. I just swam with the GoPro and accidentally the water go inside and this GoPro not working anymore. But I ordered new GoPro 11, what I'm actually really happy and super exciting because I love GoPro. I working with GoPro from GoPro 4 and this is absolutely my must-have and I'm using GoPro all the time. This is a protect case for the GoPro. That means GoPro is waterproof and shockproof, but now I decide to have a case again because I used case before for GoPro 9 and for GoPro 4. And after I stopped using because it was too heavy. I know it's a joke. GoPro it's lighter than everything else, but for me it was too heavy. But I decided to have a case just to protect GoPro a little more and have no problem with the water. And that's the case. And the case have a clip and have a screw because all the accessories for GoPro it's screwed just in case for protection and for safety. And that's the case. We have some papers. The case not make GoPro much bigger, but definitely it's extra protection, and on this point I really prefer to have this extra protection. That's the case. A case is waterproof. To open you need to put some motion because everything is really well sealed. Yeah, that's the case. That's the new clothes for the GoPro. And I have some extra screen. This screen is to exchange the screen what I show you already if you want to use touch screen. If I want to use the touch screen, I'm just opening the case and I'm using touch screen. Okay, that's the GoPro. I have a GoPro full set because you can order only camera, but I have a full set. Here we are, GoPro 11. Oh, it's beautiful already, isn't it? Okay, let's open. And the GoPro have a special case, and I have like few cases like that already. I just ordered full set because it was almost same price than just GoPro, and of course I'm super happy with that. But I'm not using cases. They are somewhere I have them somewhere and I never use them. They are little too heavy for me, and just it's something what I will not use at all. Okay, for the set we have a stick, and this stick it's floating stick. It's very light, and when you swim, if something's happened, will be float. And how you can see clip what I show you before, this is clip where you see the special rubber safety bottom. You just need to push and you need to close, and everything is really well set and it's really well protect. And this is the less favorite selfie stick, like selfie stick GoPro stick. Actually, I'm not using this stick at all, never. I have 2 or 3 of them because they are as a basic package, and this time they gave me this stick as a basic package. You see, you screw your capsule and it's done. See, simple, easy, strong and perfect. Just this stick is too short for me and I'm not swimming that often, or I just don't like it. We have this is another sticker for the car or for bicycle. We have 2 batteries, the new super powerful and strong batteries. And we have this is special holder for the head. I'm not using it at all just because I have no control on this what I'm filming, and when we're walking we using the head, we moving, and it's not working for me. This is clip for the backpack or whatever. We can just clip like that, and we can screw the GoPro to this. Like the okay, we have a charger and we have a few screws. It's always have a good few screws. I always have like 5 or 6 with me, just in case. I need one, but just in case. And here the superstar, the GoPro. Oh, so beautiful. With this all the extra accessory, that's the case. The all extra accessories actually it's nothing what I want to use. Just 2 batteries is good, but everything else absolutely not. And I have a good few extra clips and everything, but how I told you before, was in set and was like, I don't know, 20, 30 euro, 35 euro more than just GoPro. Why was only one reason why I bought this one. But definitely I'm sure I will never use any of this accessory what I got. That's the GoPro 11, beautiful. I show you GoPro 9 just to show you different. GoPro 11 have a slightly bigger screen on the back, but I think they are almost similar. They have a different color of the logo, but they are almost similar. I love them. Hopefully I can fix GoPro 9 and I can use 2 GoPros for the future, but I'm so happy with the GoPro 9. The GoPro 11, I just love it. I just love it and can't wait to use it. GoPro, it's always with me all the time and I just love it. This is the part of the GoPro when you attach to the stick. That's the place for the battery and the memory card. For now I will put my memory card from the GoPro 9 and it's working well. I saw some comment they not working. The videos making in GoPro 9 is not working on GoPro 11. Here everything's working. I don't know why. I see that set's ready, working, safe, perfect. I love it. You have 2 bottoms on the capsules, easy to control. That's how my GoPro looks like, GoPro 11. But I show you other sticks what I'm using from the GoPro. That's the second one. I have one more somewhere, but definitely it's not for me. This is the longest, the biggest GoPro stick, the giant, and actually I like it and I'm using a lot for the trips because you can you can do photos like drone photos. That's a stick with a stand and it's really good actually. That was stick what I got for my GoPro Fusion, and this is stick what I'm using all the time, 3 arms. I think this is the best, the easiest way. Maybe tripod, it's not so stable like the previous one, but this is my favorite and I love it. I will just change this straight away and my GoPro is ready to use, and I'm so happy to have 11 and I can't wait to use. You will see very shortly lots of videos made by GoPro 11. I'm so happy with this beautiful logo, beautiful GoPro. What is the most funny, like GoPro have this screen on the front and you can see what you're recording when you do selfie, but I have this option always off, and the reason is because after when I'm recording something, I'm stop looking to the camera, I'm looking for the screen all the time. And after on all my videos, I'm looking on a different direction, what it's bad. That's my ready to use GoPro 11. Guys, thank you very much for watching my short unboxing. Have a great day and see you shortly.